Good morning, students. Today we will solve the question from exercise 2.5. Students, before this we have solved exercise 2.4, linear equation in one variable. In this exercise, student, first question is solve the following linear equation. Now, in first question, it is given that x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So, student, in this equation, we have to find out the value of x. So, first of all, we have to transpose the variables one side and the numbers another side, student. This one is left hand side of equation and this one is right hand side of the equation. So student, first of all we have to transpose this x by 3 from right hand side to left hand side, and in the next step we will write this like this, x by 2, and this one is plus, so after transposing from right hand side to left hand side it will be minus, so it will be minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4, and this number 1 by 5, this one is negative number, so students, after transposing it will be positive, plus 1 by 5. Now take LCM, this one 2 and 3, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, student. So after taking LCM we have to write 2 3 are 6, so 3 into x, this one 3x, and 3 2 are 6, so we have to multiply this by 2, so it will be minus 2x is equal to, same we have to take LCM of the denominator in the right hand side of the equation. So this one is 4 and this one is 5, student. So taking LCM of 4 and 5, student, 4 5s are 20. So this one will be 20. Now 4 5s are 20. So we have to multiply this numerator by 5. 5 1s are 5. And plus this one 5 4s are 20. Therefore we have to multiply this fraction with 4, student. So 4 1s are 4. Now we have to subtract this 3x minus 2x, that is x. X by 6 is equal to, this one, student, 5 plus 4, this one 9. This one will be 9 by 20. Now in this step, student, we have to multiply this like this. This one is called cross multiplication. Here cross multiply. After cross multiplication we find that this one will be 20 into x, that is 20x is equal to 6 into 9 or 9 into 6. This one will be, student, 20x is equal to 9 6 are 54. Now x is equal to, x will be, the value of x will be 54 by 20. After reducing it by 2, this one will be 2 2 are 4, and this one 14, 2 7 are 14, and 2 1 are 2, and this one 0, so 2 10 are 20. This one will be 27 by 10, or x is equal to 27 by 10. This is the answer of the first question, student, and answer is 27 by 10. This is the solution of this linear equation. Solution means, student, to find out the value of variable. Now we have to solve the second question of exercise 2.5, student. So this one is the second question, student, and in this question, student, it is n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So student, it is given here that the variables are one side and the number is another side. So first of all, we have to take the LCM of the denominator in this question, student. So denominator is 2 here, 4 and 6. So LCM of this 2, 4 and 6 is 12, student. So we have to take LCM 12 in the first step, and after taking LCM we have to multiply the numerator by the same number by which we multiply the denominator to make 12. So 2 6 are 12, so we have to multiply this numerator by 6, then it will be 6n, and in the next step this one minus 4 3 are 12, so 3 into 3n, 3 into 3n, because we have to multiply this 4 to make it 12. So we have to multiply the numerator by 3, and this one plus 6 2 are 12, so this one will be 2 into 5n is equal to 21. Next step, student, we have to write it like this: 6n, 3 3 are 9n minus 9n, 2 5 are 10n plus 10n by 12 is equal to 21. Now we have to add the positive numbers, student. This one 6n and this one 10n, and this one minus 9n, student. So 6n plus 10n, we have to add these two numbers. So 10 and 6, that is 16n minus 9n by 12 is equal to 21. And after subtracting from 16n this one 9n, we get 7n. 7n by 12 is equal to 21. Now 7n is equal to, students, 12 is divided here, so after transposing it will be multiplied. So student, this one will be 7n is equal to 21 into 12. 12 is divided here, student. After transposing it will be multiplied with 21. Now n is equal to 21 into 12 by 7. So student, after dividing 21 by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. So it will be 3 into 12. N is equal to 3 into 12. In the next step, n is equal to 12 3 ja 36. This is the value of n, student, or this is the solution of question number 2. Now we will solve question number 3, student. This is question number 3, students, and in this question x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. So solution of this equation, student, first of all we have to transpose variable one side and the numbers another side of the equation, student. So in the first step we will change the variables one side, or transpose the variables one side and the numbers another side of the equation, student. So it will be x plus this one student minus 5x by 2. So after transposing it will be plus 5x by 2. So write 5x by 2 here, and after that we will write this minus 8x by 3 is equal to, now this one 17 by 6, and after transposing this 7 from left hand side to right hand side it will be minus 7. Now we have to take the LCM of the denominator students. So this one 2 and this one 3. LCM of 2 and 3, and here it is 1 student, x by 1. So LCM will be 6 student, because the number is 2 and 3. So 2 3 is 6 and 3 2 is 6. So after taking LCM as 6, we have to multiply this x by 6, because denominator here is 1. So 1 6 is 6. So multiply this numerator x by 6, so it will be 6x. After that student, this 2 3 is 6. So we have to multiply this 5x by 3, because 2 3 is 6 here, plus 3 into 5x minus 3 2 is 6. So we have to multiply this numerator by 2, minus 2 into 8x is equal to, this one equal to, here we will take LCM again student, and LCM will be 6, because this one 7 by 1. So after taking this LCM 6, this one 17 by 6, so it will be 17, and minus 7 this one. So now this one is 7 by 1, 1 6 is 6. So we have to multiply this minus 7 by 6, minus 7 into 6. Now LCM will be cancelled student, because both side, their left hand side of the equation and right hand side of the equation, LCM is equal, so we can cancel this LCM. Clear students? Now this one will be 6x plus 15x minus 16x is equal to 17 minus 7 6 is 42. Now it will be 6x plus 15x. These are positive, so we can add it. 6 plus 15, this one 21x minus 16x is equal to this minus 42 plus 17. It will be minus 25, because one is positive and another is negative. So it will be subtracted student. So in the next step, it will be 21x minus 16x. It will be 5x is equal to this one minus 25. So x is equal to minus 25 by 5. So 5 5 is 25. So this one minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. So this is solution of question number 3 student. The value of x is minus 5. Now we will solve question number 4 student. This is question number 4 student, and in this question student, x minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. So first of all, we have to cross multiply of this equation student. So Cross multiply, it means student we have to multiply this x minus 5 with this 5 and this x minus 3 with 3. So in the first step we have to multiply this one, cross multiplication student, cross multiply. After cross multiplying we will write it like this: 5 into x minus 5 is equal to 3 into x minus 3. Now it will be 5 into x, that will be 5x minus 5 5 ja 25 is equal to 3x minus 3 3 ja 9. Now after transposing the variable one side and the numbers another side of the equation student, this one will be 5x and this one plus 3. So after transposing it will be minus 3 is equal to this one minus 9 and minus 25. After transposing it will be plus 25. So 5x minus 3x, it is 2x is equal to 25 minus 9, it will be 16 student. And now x is equal to 16 by 2. So x is equal to 2, 8 ja 16 student. So x is equal to 8. The value of x is 8 in this equation student. Now we will solve question number 5 student. This is question number 5 student, and in this there is 3t minus 2 by 4 minus 2t plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. So first of all we have to take the LCM of 4 and 3 student. So after taking LCM 4 and 3, it will be 12. So 12 will be LCM of the denominator of both the numbers student. So after taking LCM as 12, so 4 3 ja 12, so we have to multiply this part with 3 and 3 4 ja 12, so we have to multiply this part by 4 student. So it will be 3 into 3t minus 2. This one 3 student. 3t minus 2 minus, because here is a sign of negative, that is minus, and 3 4 ja 12. So we have to multiply this by 4. 4 into this one 2t plus 3 is equal to, after taking LCM 3 here, we will write it like this student: 3, this one 2, because this is 2 by 3 and this is t by 1. So 1 3 ja 3, so it will be minus 3t, because we have to multiply this numerator by 3 after taking LCM as 3. Now in the next step it will be 3 3 ja 9 student, because this one is 3t student. So 3 3 ja 9t minus 3 2 ja 6. Again this one minus 4 into 2, it is 2t minus 8t plus 3 into minus 4 minus 12. 4 3 ja 12 upon 12 is equal to, this one will be 2 minus 3t by 3. So it will be 9t minus 8t, it will be t, and minus 6 and minus 12, it will be minus 18, because both are negative student, so it will be added. Minus 6 and minus 12, it will be minus 18. upon 12 is equal to 2 minus 3t by 3. Now we have to cross multiply it. Students, we will cross multiply this equation, this one by 3 and this one by 12. So this one will be 3 into t minus 18 is equal to 12 into 2 minus 3t. Now multiply this by 3, so it will be 3t minus 18 3 ja 54 is equal to 12 2 ja 24 and this one minus 12 3 ja 36t. Now transpose the variables one side of the equation in the numbers and other side of the equation, student. So this one will be 3t, this one minus 36t. After transposing it will be plus 36t is equal to 24 and this one is negative here, student. After transposing it will be positive plus 54. Now add these 3 and 36, that is 39t is equal to 4 and 4 and 4 that is 8, 5 to 7. 39t is equal to 78. So t is equal to 78 by 39. So 39 2 ja 78, student. So we can reduce it. 39 1 ja 39, 39 2 ja 78. So t is equal to 2. The value of t is 2 here, student, in this equation. So answer of this question is t is equal to 2, student. Now we will solve question number 6. This is question number 6, student, and in this question it is m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So students, first of all we have to transpose the variables one side of the equation. So after transposing variables one side it will be m minus m minus 1 by 2, this one here minus, so it will be plus m minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So this one is the first step, student, and in this step we have transposed the variables one side and the numbers another side of the equation. After doing so, we will, in the next step we will take LCM of the denominator. Students, here this one is m by 1. So 1, 2 and 3, LCM of 1, 2 and 3, it will be 6, student. So after taking LCM as 6, we have to multiply this one is m by 1. So 1 6 ja 6, therefore we have to multiply this numerator m by 6. It will be 6n. Now minus 2 3 ja 6, student. So we have to multiply this by 3. So it will be m minus 1 plus this one 3 2 ja 6. So we have to multiply this numerator by 2. So 2 into this one m minus 2 is equal to 1. This one right hand side of the equation, student. So in the next step this one will be 6m minus 3m plus 3. Student, this one will be minus into minus, this one will be plus 2m, and this one 2 into minus 2, it will be minus 4 upon 6 is equal to 1. Now 6m plus 2m, student, these are the positive, so we have to add this. 6 to 8m minus 3m, and this one minus 4, and this one plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, it is minus 1 by 6 is equal to 1, student. Now we have to multiply this denominator. We will transpose this denominator from left hand side to right hand side of the equation, student. So it will be multiplied there. It will be 8m minus 3m, 5m minus 1 is equal to, this one will be 6, student, because we multiplied this 6 with 1, because here it is divided by, after transposing it will be multiplied by, so 1 6 is 6. So 5m is equal to 6 plus 1. We have transposed this minus 1 from left hand side to right hand side, so it will be plus 1. 5m, now it will be 5m is equal to 7, student, and m will be 7 by 5. So this is the value of m, student, and this is the answer of this question.